back at the garage. We're gonna do some stuff with the cars, but the first thing we're gonna do, well, what Daan's gonna do is he's gonna take off that annoying nail.
Yeah, last week it destroyed my jacket, so it's set. Yeah, now it destroyed my overall, so it's gotta go.
How does that feel?
I don't know. It was so easy, it didn't feel satisfying.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, must say.
Still, problem solved. We're problem solvers over here at Greenhouse Garage.
It's the only thing we do, we're solving problems.
Yeah.
Nice.
Daan is working on his brakes.
No, my brakes are already gone.
Oh, he's working on
this.
What are you doing there?
I don't know what it's called. You know this stuff.
The big nut.
Yeah, it needs to go. And I bought the right sockets, but still not very easy.
Anyways, here's also the over fenders. We're hopefully gonna do the cut over here today. First, I want to put the coilovers in the back to the original height.
What is original height?
Oh, we heightened it. Remember, in the back?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Some oil bottles and stuff spilled in the back, so I'm currently cleaning that, which is kind of boring, but...
You see, I still got a bit of slot there. It's difficult to get it on.
Isn't it 28?
I don't know, could be. You said 29.
Oh, you have a user manual or something?
Of course not with me. Probably somewhere.
Yeah, so we're again working with some tight confines, but it's not as tight as with the caravan, and we can actually move the Subie around now.
What the f is it called?
I don't know.
Why don't you know it?
The big nut.
I don't know.
The bearing nut. Try that. Bearing nut. It's a nut near the bearing. Think your bearing is in here?
I don't know.
Try bearing nut. Okay, so while Daan's doing that, I'm gonna do some hot cleaning. Alright. Daan has liberated the big nut.
Yeah, and two small ones, but this one...
And eventually you did manage to do it with the Agadaga.
Yeah, so it's apparently stronger than I thought.
Yeah, Agadaga for the win.
Yeah. It's dead.
Yeah, but it's also snapped the bolt.
Yeah, from the ABS sensor, which is kinda annoying.
So yeah, Daan's gonna look if he can drill it out.
Exactly. But first to find the drill that is charged.
I've got the car outside jacked up to put the coilovers back to the original height, and Daan has to go home because
Problems.
Yeah.
We can show it. We already had one snap bolt on that side on the ABS sensor. Here we also have the ABS sensor that's snapped. I think that's this one. Looking real nice. And this one is snapped and this one is snapped. We only had one that came out okay, but you can see this one still looks alright. I don't know if you can see it, but this one corroded as fuck. So, and because they're not that big, they break.
Yeah. So we're probably just gonna buy this whole thing new. Because I mean it's rusty and crusty anyway.
But first I need to get my drill from home to get the ABS sensor out.
Yep. Your prediction, how long do you think this project's gonna take?
It's finished next week. We're going so much faster than your car.
Yeah, you're snapping the bolts a lot faster.
There are two things that really needed to happen. The brakes need to come off, need to put on new brakes. Brakes are off, so that's quite okay. And the next part is this needs to go off and then I can do the ball joints, and that's everything that's strictly necessary. So, full yours.
Alright, so we got the wheels of the car, and now we're gonna put the coilovers back to the original height using the BC Racing adjustinators. Apparently I don't have anything to measure stuff with, so I'm waiting for Daan to bring over some measuring tape. But meanwhile, we can remove this ugly sort of half plastic chrome strip. So there. Okay, so the stuff does come off, but really slowly and annoyingly.
Kun je de boors afgebroken?
You broke the drill.
It snapped in the middle.
Yeah, I guess those were metal drills.
Yeah?
So yeah, I think you need to buy new drill bits.
No, but these are my own ones. Otherwise my father maybe has some. It's even smaller, let's do a bigger one. Maybe that doesn't snap that easily.
We got some croissants. So go very slowly.
Slow drill?
Yeah. No, drill turn fast but push very slowly.
Empty. So Jim is eating something new. What are you eating, Jim?
I don't know what this is.
Borek.
Borek.
What we say in the Netherlands. The Turkse kroket.
You got a lighter?
Turkish pastry. Feta. And spinach. Quite nice. So, what's the review, Jim?
What?
What's the review?
That's okay.
So Jim is having a fight with nature. He wants to get the kitchen paper, but his buddy says no. What are you gonna do, Jim? Grab a new roll?
Yeah. That, I'm not dealing with that. Oh Lord, he coming. Daan has uncovered the secrets under all the dirt of his plating. It has a pee-pee.
Yeah, and NA, so it's actually a Miata.
Yeah, it's actually an NA Miata with a pee-pee.
Yeah. Nice.
So anyways, over here, this is now the right length, so I'm gonna do the other side of camera. Daan is just wrecking all my tools. Besides wrecking all my tools, Daan also can't charge my GoPro batteries.
I'm not going to respond.
Is there anything you can do, Daan?
Snapping off bolts.
Yeah, apparently. Looking at how this is gonna go on. So I need to apparently trim a bit of this, and also we need to somehow attach it to the bumper.
But it's probably a bit of finicking because it's cheap AliExpress shit.
Yeah, but it is made for a Subaru though. We've been struggling with all this.
Everything.
Yeah.
So we have two key problems. One is ABS sensor bolt is snapped, so that's quite annoying. So we drilled it and hopefully we can get it out now. But this is so incredibly stuck and fixed in rust. It's a bit of chemical bonding. We've decided to sacrifice the ABS sensor, probably on both sides, and we're just gonna hammer it through.
Yeah.
Let's
so we're gonna just murder that.
Yeah, we're gonna.
And then there's also another cutter pin, which we just learned is called a cutter pin behind there, which is stuck. So we're gonna also have to murder that.
And also on the other side we have to do the same.
Yeah.
So yes.
I've removed this strip on both sides and also removed this, so we can see how we can fit the over fenders on.
Yeah. But looking at it, I think a lot of these parts are going to get replaced.
Yeah, I think so too. And I also think that this project is gonna take longer than you thought it was gonna take.
Probably. I didn't calculate the ABS sensors in it, and also not the cotter pins.
What was your plan with going into this?
I still have it for that I can drive it again in the summer.
Yeah, but what's your plan to replace?
Oh, yeah, I don't know. I was just like get it off and see what we need to replace. But yeah, we need to do it anyway because this is broken. We have no choice.
Oh, look in there.
Yeah, the grease.
The grease. There you go. You killed it. Hey.
We murdered it. Absolutely.
I'm just left hanging. I'm just left hanging.
Oh, sorry. Well, we got it out quite easily, actually.
Yeah. Oh. So, when in doubt, just destroy it.
Would have been a lot worse. Hammer is best tool.
I thought the pipe power was the best tool.
Today's hammer. ABS sensor delete worked. We got this one off, now we're getting this one off. And we hope that we don't need to get this one off because that is a fucking annoying pin. That's bit destroyed, so let's hope that we don't need to do it, but you never know.
Daan has a genius plan.
So first let's rewind. I got a ball joint press. I thought let's do it.
But you got a ball joint press.
Yeah, press. I thought let's do it properly, but apparently that's not allowed because it was too small. So now we're gonna use this one to Austin.
Yeah, and now we're doing whatever this is.
Feels like I'm gonna kill myself.
Safety glasses. I'm gonna stand back a bit. Any movement in there?
I don't know.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
No,
Okay, that doesn't work, sadly. Daan's clamp thing seems to work now, somehow.
Yeah. Don't know if it's working. I still feel like I'm gonna kill myself.
Oh, Jesus! Well, it worked. Fucking hell! Okay, it works.
Oh, my chest is pounding. You're still alive.
Yeah,
Okay.
barely.
Next step. Done. Now we have some more space for this one.
Nice. We're just cleaning up and about to go home. But we did get some stuff done. I got some of the prep work over here done. So I got this off, got this strip off. Got the coilovers back to the original height. And Daan has broken a lot of stuff.
A lot of bolts.
Some of my tools.
Yeah.
Yeah.
ABS broken.
Yeah. See you next time, guys.